Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Lusyara Deva and my NPM is 19220346. I'm from 2019 B3. Okay, now I want to explain about the role of the interpreter. Because the interpreter is a participant and thus has a present. In the lesson interpreting situation, the question of role must be considered in detail. This chapter deals with the essential elements of role, the perception of this role and the effect of this perception not only on the interpreter but also on the client. The relationship between social context and role are examined as are. In conclusion, some difference between translation and interpreting in relation to role. The role has 6 important elements. The first is defining the role. Role is a social science construct used to explain behavior and examine attitude between at least 2 participants in any social situation. The concept of role is inextricably tied to the idea of a reciprocal relationship. Thus, dates exist such as a doctor patient, teacher pupil, lawyer client. Intinya adalah bahwa peran ini hanya ada dalam hubungan yang berhubungan dengan yang lain. Begitu. The second is comparison with the other professional and social roles. In other professional roles, a reciprocal relationship is taken for granted, but the interpreter must maintain this role in relation to clients and continually switch between them. The third is the interpreting interaction. In this section, an interpreted interaction will be examined with a view to highlighting the aspect which impinge on the role of the interpreter. We can assume that there is motivation to communicate for the achievement of goals which are shared, at least to some extent, by the interlocutors. The fourth is the concept of clients. An interpreter has at least 2 clients at any one time. Theoretically, they have equal claim on the interpreter's expertise. Irrespective of consideration, such as who arrange for the interpreter to be present, who is playing the interpreter, who has bribed the interpreter. The fifth is creation of the role. The creation of the role for interpreters must also be approached from a global perspective which seeks to place. In operational terms, the professional obligation which interpreter have to their clients and to their professional colleague. And the last is translating and interpreting. Within the literature, much is assumed and little said about the difference between the two skills, apart from the fact that translation involves written text and interpreting involves oral answers. When one is dealing with clients, however, this distinction is blurred by a number of factors which, in turn, contribute to clients' perception of the role of interpreter and translators. Okay, this material discussion has finished. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.